Hi, this is Zak Mir from Zak's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Monday the 29th of February. Starting off with Amara Mining, where chart to warm the soul in terms of the weekly close above the 200-day moving average at 10.1 pence on Friday. So looking very healthy as far as the first near-term break of that trend-determining feature. End of day close. The end of week close above this 200-day line should lead us up to the top of a rising trend channel from the end of July, heading as high as 14 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. This stage only really back below, let's say, the 9.5 pence level, which was resistance on the way down, would really delay the upside scenario to any extent. Moving along to stock which has been in the limelight as far as bulletin board heroes for quite some time. Also taking a while to turn around, Eurasia Mining, but we had the gap to the upside through the 50-day moving average last month and bounce off it at 0.56 for February. That's an encouraging sign, indicates a decent turnaround could be on its way. Currently looking for a target as high as probably around the 1 pence level, which would be the top of a rising August trend channel, and that's valid while the 50-day line holds, and at least while there's no break back below, let's say 0.5 pence as the stop loss on the bull argument. Time frame the next month or so on that. Obviously, after a penny, we're heading for 1.5 pence plus as a best case scenario. Europa Oil and Gas is next, and here you can see how there's been a similar setup really to the Eurasia Mining setup, in the sense that break through the 50-day moving average, finding support and gapping up. Initial target here, 4.65 pence at the 200-day moving average. After that, heading probably or possibly as high as 6 pence, which would be a top of a rising September price channel, and that's valid while the 50-day line holds at 3.11 pence. Next stock is Frontier Resources, and here you can see how still a slow process in terms of the recovery here. Falling trend channel from as long ago as June last year. Looks like a bit of a wedge formation, which could be a positive as far as the potential breakout is concerned here. Decent breakthrough the, I suppose, the 0.08 pence level, maybe allowing up to 0.1 pence level as a trigger point. Could take the shares back up to 0.2 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Stop loss obviously back below 0.05 pence, which was near-term support. Moving along to a couple of gold stocks, and Kolar Gold is next. Nice W-shaped reversal here, breaking above the 50-day moving average at 0.68 pence over the last few sessions. The view here is that an end-of-day close back above 1 pence, which is the initial February resistance, could lead quite quickly to the 200-day moving average at 1.3 pence over the next couple of weeks. Overall target over the next 2 to 3 months as high as 2.5 pence, which is the top of this wide September price channel. Stop loss probably back below the 50-day line in the first instance. Next stock is Patagonia Gold, which has been bubbling up for quite some time. Looks encouraging in the sense we've got this consolidation above the 50-day and 200-day moving averages at 1.98 pence. While we hold above that, target here as high as 4.5 pence, the top of a June rising trend channel. If you're cautious on the shares, obviously wait for a break of this 3 pence resistance before going long. Finishing off with a special request on Red Rock Resources. I haven't covered this quite some time, but it looks like a turnaround situation. Nice little sort of mini bull flag here above the 50-day moving average, 0.39 pence. And while we hold above that, looking for progress towards the 200-day moving average at 0.74 pence. That would also be the top of a rising trend channel that I'm drawing from September. Stop loss here back below, let's say 0.35 pence, just to be sure, in terms of having the 50-day line hold there over the next few sessions. Be cautious on the shares, maybe you'd wait for a break back above the 0.5 pence level as a momentum trigger before targeting that 3/4 of a penny area. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.